which is the back side.
So the front side of the book or the pad?
The front side of the pad.
Does the book have to be straight though, like forward?
No, it can be anywhere.
Okay.
Muwala wa Bobi Wine muyite Shalom Namagembe akosate ne brand ambassador munne bazanye akazanyo ka pod babadde balaga wali munangate nkozesa yazo esaidi eno nkugambye kabadde ka trading wali akatambi kano ku mukutu ogwa TikTok ate nga ku saidi emu Cindy sanyu munnange ali mu concert naye munnange ate olira ate munnange olugambo olubadde lutambula wakati we esaidi eno byemu byengenda okubeera nga nkutuusako era nga bampita Nutty sinza kujja Nutty yugi ngenda kubeera nno nga ntandika n'akatambi kano ate maasawo njije ne Cindy kakati n'akatambi kano munnange kabadde katambula wali ku mukuto gwa TikTok nkugambye babadde munnange ate Magere muwala wa Bobi Wine ono era nga bw'omulaba ate ne brand ambassador munne era nga boogezako okulaba babadde bazanyemu ku munnange awo ka challenge aka pads zino jjukira nti nno ne Shalom Namagembe naye brand ambassador mu kampuni eno munnange ate eya pad.
Shalom.
Yeah.
I have a challenge for you.
Okay.
So you see this pad, you're going to open and then remove a pad and put it on a book and guess which one is the front side and which is the back side.
So the front side of the book or the pad?
The front side of the pad.
Does the book have to be straight though, like forward?
No, it can be anywhere.
Okay.
So you just have to guess
that.
Yes, you just have to guess the front side and the back side of the pad.
Okay, while blindfolded?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, do I have to open it myself?
Yes, you have to open it yourself and do everything.
Are you timing me?
No, not really.
Okay, tell me when to start.
Okay, start now.
Guys. Wait. No, this is already. Yeah. Okay. I can't feel the sticker. Okay. Guys. Okay. Wait, let me put the sticker down. Okay.
Guess the front side, guess the back side.
I'm trying. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is no, wait, I need to feel it. Yes, yeah. I'm trying to compare the lengths. Hold on. Guys, I've confused myself. Yeah. Okay, this is okay. This is it.
So which one's the front side?
This is the front, this is the back.
Oh no.
I actually thought I got it though.
Should I use this one?
I thought that I tried, but like next time better.
At least you put it well in the book.
You know, right? At least I got it on the book.
Focus on the positive.
Okay, guys, you also that I got it wrong. Okay, so this is the front side because you attach these to the sides of your underwear, and this goes on the side of the bum. As you can see, it elongates, so this is where the iron strip is. Yeah.
And this is the front side because like this is the front part of the undergarment is smaller.
Oh yes, you're right. I didn't think about that. Yeah. So that's how. I think you guys should also try this challenge. Actually, no, that would be wasting. But yeah, we're here to show you what the relief pad looks like. Yeah. Thank you for watching our challenge.
It's so soft right now.
It is very soft, man.
Kyekyo nno munnange era nga bwe kitambudde jjukira nti nno mbeera nkozeza era nga wano nkozeza wano ku Cindy sanyu ebibadde bitambula munnange kakati nno Cindy sanyu yabadde afuddeyoko wali n'akakasa munnange concert era nga boogezako okulaba date 29 August 2025 guno gwennyini nnyini omwaka esaidi eno n'ateekako nti nno the king herself Cindy live in concert era nga bangi abakomentinze Wano Florence agambye nti no, definitely the king herself is gonna lock it as usual. Cindy never disappoints. I love the reggae versions of your performances, baby girl. Bangi abakomentinze era nga boogezako okulaba ku post eno munnanga tewali ku mukutu munnanga ogwa Facebook eside eyo, naye nga bibyo munnange ate biri mugenda mu maaso ku mwana muwala ono ate Cindy Sanyu mbunno okutegeka munnange ate ekivulu ku lunaku lwe lumu n'olwa Dax Vibes, naye ng'ekyawula ate munnange nga kifo eside eyo. Bwe nti bwe nkoze era nga bwe nti bwe mukyekinzeko ate mwana muwala ono kakasa nti no video gimpya like kosa ate n'okusubscribinga kasita obeera nga tonnaba.